Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here with 9 July 4th party ideas. If you want to throw the ultimate backyard party, the 4th of July is perfect. Throw some burgers, hot dogs, and steaks on the barbecue, toss up some potato salad, carve a watermelon, and you're halfway there. Now all you need are some lights, games, and a few accessories, and you have the perfect party. So here we go. First up, it's the 4th of July, so you need a flag. This flag by Andones is 3x5, 100% nylon, and it is weatherproof. You can even give each of your guests a flag with these small flags by Hoosen. They come in bundles of 50, so if you have any left over, add them to your garden, line your driveway, or you can even put them in your flower arrangements for extra patriotism. The possibilities are endless. Now for the kids, and maybe some adults. 4th of July games are the best. A memory to last a lifetime, so why not jumpstart every party with a potato sack race? The game includes everything you'll need: 6 potato sacks, 6 head boppers, and 6 plastic prize medals. We've also found a very patriotic beanbag toss by Go Sports. It includes 8 beanbags, and for easy transportation, you can fold it into its own carrying case. If you're lucky enough to have a pool, you might want to add a 4th of July volleyball game. It is sure to be one that will make a splash. It also comes with a basketball hoop for fun all summer long. Our last game is for those of you who are ultra competitive, a patriotic tug-of-war rope by J.H. Kim. It comes in 20 foot, 40 foot, or 60 foot. It includes the rope, 18 medals, a red flag, and a carrying case for traveling or storing. Now that you have the games under control, you'll want to add some paper plates and napkins. We found a kit that has it all, even the tablecloth. When you're done, roll up the paper plates for easy cleanup. The fun begins when the sun goes down, so why not light up the night with this LED flag? If you are looking for something a little more low-key, hang some string lights. They will give just enough ambiance to charm even the harshest critic. You are sure to use these string lights every 4th. With their stars, flags, they will be a hit. No matter how you spend your 4th of July, we at Backyard University hope it is safe and memorable. If you have any other backyard questions, click the link below to some of our other videos. For your convenience, we've supplied links to mentioned products, and don't forget to like and subscribe.